Good afternoon, everybody. My name's Jim Dinage from Seacourt. I'd like to share with you the voyage of sustainability that we've undergone at Seacourt and how we've tried to reduce our environmental footprint and the environmental footprint of our customers. Now, to do that, I need to tell you a little bit about history so that you can understand exactly what we've done and why we've done it, and perhaps, be quite impressed with what we have actually done. Seacourt is now 64 years old. It's a printer. It's in Cowley, Oxford. We employ 19 people and we have a turnover of £1.75 million. Because the printing industry is so old, it's been with us since 1450, people have this impression that it's environmentally it's quite a sound industry. In actual fact, since 1970, the industry's changed because the technique has changed to offset lithography. Offset lithography really is harmful to the environment. Two reasons, or main two reasons, is one, that they use vast quantities of water, and the second reason, to make the water work, they put in volatile organic compounds, usually isopropyl alcohol, but sometimes other harmful VOCs, into that system. To give you some idea of how it's changed, it's been published recently that Det Norsk Veritas, who are a global risk assessment company, have actually classified the print industry as being in the same environmental risk category as mining, oil and nuclear industries. It really is that bad. Now, what we've done at Seacourt, we were formed in 46. In 80 we changed to offset lithography. And then in 1996, we employed outside consultants to come into our building to tell us about our environmental performance. We thought we were quite good, actually. But these consultants came in and said, look, you're not too bad, but you could do a lot better. We discussed it, all of us, the whole company, what we're going to do. And the first thing that we did, which was in 98, is that we changed the process to a process called waterless offset. Environmentally, it's very environmentally sympathetic. It's unlike offset lithography, it's an environmentally sympathetic printing process. As well as being sympathetic to the environment, it also produces a higher quality. So we won on that process as well. So we did that. 98, we got ISO 14001. In 99, we became the second printer in the world to get EMAS. We became carbon neutral in 2001, and we also swapped to renewable energy. We've done other things as well, many other things. One of them is that we changed our printing inks from petroleum oil-based printing inks into vegetable oil-based printing inks. And another thing that we did, although waterless offset is exactly what it says, you don't need water in the printing process. You don't need piles and piles of water. It's waterless. But we have to make lithoplates. Lithoplates uses quite a lot of water. We actually invested in a new machine. It cost us, I think there were only two of them that I know of. What was happening when we were making plates, we were using 120,000 litres of water per year. Put it in this machine, took it down to 430 litres per year. So on that process, we saved 98.5% water. It's very, very successful. Very, very pleased that we've done it. Over the years, we've been recycling, but in 2001, we knew that we were still putting 343,200 litres of waste into landfill. We've managed to reduce that year on year. Our recycling lines are quite impressive. We've got plain paper, printed paper, polystyrene, rubber blankets, wrappers, ink cans, ink, wipes, CDs, CD cases, plastics, light bulbs, solvents, cardboard, laser, toner cartridges, foil back paper, aerosols, digital toners, cassettes, broken pallets, pallet straps, digital machine parts, tea bags and leftovers from employees' lunch. Now there's stuff we recycle. We got together early in 2009, that's everybody in the company, and we knew that we were bringing down the amount that we were actually putting to landfill. But we said, why can't we actually get to zero landfill? And at that point, the three things that were really giving us a problem were foil-back paper. Nobody seemed to want to take foil-back paper, but we found somebody that was actually can recycle and reuse that. Polystyrene, well, we found somebody that would take the polystyrene, even though we got to pay them for it, and they will use it for insulation products. But the big issue was tea bags. Our place is a massive user of tea bags. We've got 12 different teas, would you believe? These massive tea bags, and also people's lunch. So we got a wormery. A wormery wouldn't cope, so we got two wormeries. Two wormeries wouldn't cope, so we got three. Three wouldn't cope, now we've got four. All the fertiliser goes to either our customers or our staff, and they can have the fertiliser and free of charge, and it goes on. Well, I'm not sure if I know of another printer that's got a wormery. Anyway, the bottom line is on the 14th of August 2009, the very last bin was removed from Seacourt. The very last. There are no bins at Seacourt. We believe that we are probably the only printer of our size in the UK, and although we've only got 19 people, we're in the top 5%, that can actually say that, and we think possibly we're the only company in the world that's actually doing that. So there we are. We've now tried to clean up our act to such an extent that we're using recycled paper, and material that comes in, all material that comes in either goes out as product, it's recycled, or it's reused. And that's it.